Good afternoon, my Facebook friends. My YouTube and Facebook friends. We do have some storms heading our way, but in the next 2 hours, a tornado watch or a thunderstorm watch could be issued. Maybe a tornado watch. Thinking that the more they might issue a tornado watch because the area is more kind of stable, more stable, unstable for those. Well, as in town today, the weather was partly stable. I had not received any updates on Twitter or Facebook on Facebook or Twitter. About the tornado watch. Now they are saying watch is likely for the Fort Smith, Fayetteville, Rogers, and the Bentonville area, and just keep it in. Plus, stations in Fort Smith are 5 News on the TV, on radio, 93.7, 97.9, 97.9. I'm looking at the National Weather Service website right now, and it looks like there ain't no watches anticipated, but right now there's mainly nothing. But that's why you should not. If the weather is sunny outside, you don't need to say it's going to be a nice day, because it's not. Part of that evening, it's partly going to be mostly bad and stuff. We could not get a tornado, but that's something to be on a lookout and a watch for. Looking at the Tulsa, Oklahoma deal, and isolated scattered thunderstorms are expected to develop by late this afternoon across eastern Oklahoma and northwest Arkansas. Large hail and then will be possible with those storms. A severe weather threat returns across. But on the remote, it doesn't leave the tornadic threat out of the situation of the deal. It doesn't leave the tornadic threat out, so that's a good thing. Keep watch on severe weather. Here is the latest tracking of the timing of severe weather threat across eastern Oklahoma and western Arkansas. We would expect storms to develop between 4 to 6 p.m. along the dry line of frontal boundary, which will be near the U.S. Highway 69 corridor. Kind of keep up on that. I'm looking at it right now, and mainly we can see part of it now. Now, people, it's what it is right now. Today, it's just 10% today, but once we get into the nighttime area, that's when things are starting to go downhill. Because the reason why it's going to get a little difficult, which is tornado-wise, you never know what to expect from a thunderstorm watch to a tornado watch. Tornado watch means that conditions are favorable, but if a thunderstorm watch means that you still got to be on the lookout for isolated tornadoes or so. That's why, and on Wednesday, that's when we're going to continue seeing things go downhill Wednesday afternoon, which is going to be 82 degrees. And I am looking at the map right now for the severe weather map, which is watches and advisories, and just like one advisor for the Mena, Little Rock area. But that's about it. But the people in Fort Smith, please keep a watch on this, because now, like they always say, Arkansas weather can change in an instant. In seconds, skies can darken. that's why you don't need. And I'm looking at the Moffett, and that's near Fort Smith. So I'm looking at 3 o'clock. So the National Weather Service has issued a watch, but still, thunderstorm watch, severe thunderstorm watch. It was just now going into effect to 10 o'clock tonight. Now, that means that tornadoes are not ruled out of the weather. Tornadoes are not ruled out. When the conditions are favorable for thunderstorms occur, God who knows, they can issue a tornado warning, because this has happened in Dallas County in, not thinking 1998. This has happened before in Dallas County. I'm not gonna lie to you. There was thunderstorm watch out, but we was outside, doing our activities. But the National Weather Service in Little Rock did issue a tornado warning for Dallas County, that's why I'm trying to say, don't take it over. That's why whenever it's thunderstorm watch, that means tornadoes cannot be ruled out. And I'm going to read it to you to tell you in front of it right now. A severe thunderstorm watch number 5 is in effect at 10 p.m. tonight for the following counties: Baxter, Carroll, Jackson, Marion, Scott, Washington, Benton, Crawford, Logan, Newton, Searcy, Hill, Boone, Franklin, Madison, Polk, and Sebastian County. And stuff. So, which is tornado risk limited, which is risk limited. So that means we could. It means limited. What's the difference in limited low means we could get a tornado. Risk limited, which is the same thing as severe thunderstorms. Significant winds, risk limited. Okay. So that's why we are going to get more and stuff. So that's why. That's why that's why we need to watch this right now. So as of right now, Sebastian County, Washington County, they didn't give no other details yet. This is just, I have to look it up and get back later. But right now, a severe thunderstorm watch for parts of Fort Smith and Fayetteville and Moffett right now. So I'm going to continue watching it. Plus my fellow meteorologists, will be watching this, obviously. But right now, just be on the lookout. Either a thunderstorm warning or a tornado warning is issued for the sirens start going off. That means, bam, take cover. Want to relate on that and stuff. As I was saying again, Southwest Arkansas, that means you don't need to be in the clear yet. But later, then you might be under watch as well. But before it's all said and done. But as right now, as I was saying again, thunderstorm watch for parts of Fort Smith and Huntington and parts of Mansfield. I think just recheck on that. I think Mansfield, Waldron, Mansfield and Waldron under a thunderstorm watch until 10 tonight. Keep it, and you stay in Mansfield or Waldron. Keep it tuned in to 979, Kisser 93.7, and 5 News with a very severe latest. Because like I said, a thunderstorm watch can upgrade to a tornado warning. So it just depends how bad or weather is. Never know. LaFleur County could be under a tornado warning and try to hit into Sebastian County. it's just a no-brainer. So that does for me. Just stay on the lookout for weather. Keep it tuned in to local media outlets for the very latest of this. Have a great day.